para sa inyo eh.
Totoo. And then, in support of, Sir Sapot, no, kung, in support of he is for the Constitution, and sa One Pilipinas, we are for the Constitution. Alongside with that, we are for the Filipino people. So, the better question here is these 3 cabinet secretaries doing their job? Diba? Si Sap Anton Lagdameo, he's doing a lot of things, lalo na sa Mindanao, no? Lahat ng peace efforts natin to unite. Kaya parang, somehow nag-i-improve, no, ang situation natin sa Mindanao. Si GM Mel Robles, I myself witness, ang dami nilang natulungan na medical assistance and even yung totoong pag-remit, no, ng iba't ibang games, no, under PCSO at napupunta talaga siya sa social welfare, no. So yun nga, for your info, lahat ng mga games under PCSO or Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office, lahat po yan nare-remit po sa Office of the President. Ginagamit yun doon. Even, lalo na si Secretary Chu Laurel, na which is, by the way, na-appoint lang siya, Sir Sapot, 3 years ago or 2 years ago. So, parang hindi siya agad para to think na parang ginawa niya lang yan kasi nagbigay siya ng statement, Sir Sapot, yesterday, parang he defended himself na parang, I did not donate just for the, just for the position. By the way, if you're gonna Google Secretary Chu Laurel, speaking of Google, he doesn't need a position. No, pero yung knowledge niya, I won't mention his company, his mega corporation, hindi niya kailangan ng position. Pero ang nagbe-benefit tayo ngayon sa napakalawak na knowledge ni Secretary Chu Laurel when it comes to agriculture, fisheries, ganyan, sa rice, sa meat, sa poultry. We are benefiting right now. Alam mo yung recent program ngayon, Sir Sapot, di ba, yung feeding and yung class-based milk feeding. So, ang laking tulong nun. So, more than anything, the better question is, are they doing their specific jobs or are they politicizing at this moment? Kasi if we are going to align it with our beloved Senator Marcoleta, who's allegedly doing it for good governance, 'di ba? Hindi naman, is he doing, is it in aid of legislation? And I love what you said last time, Sir Sapot, sa isang episode natin na kung gagawa tayo ng isang Senate hearing, it should be in aid of legislation. Was it in aid of legislation or is it just also politicization? So that's just a question, no? It's not an accusation, it's a question. So these 3 people, these 3 cabinet secretaries are really busy doing their individual jobs. So parang sa akin, more than anything, I think they should be like Secretary Chu Laurel. Sagot ng diretso. Sumagot siya ng diretso eh. Sabi niya, hindi ko ito ginawa yan, diba? So parang quite interestingly, this week, talagang under fire ang mga cabinet secretary. But I think I know why now, no? Sa tong conversation natin ngayon, Sir Sapot, it is because the trust ratings of the President really depends majority to the trustworthiness and the performance of the individual cabinet secretaries. 'Di ba? So kapag inaatake bawat cabinet secretaries, bawat cabinet office in their different areas na nag-i-implement ng vision ng presidente, talaga maaapektuhan ng tiwala at performance ng presidente. So, ngayon naintindihan ko na, Sir Sapot, no, para natahi-tahi natin, we were trying to figure out how to really connect all of these things. Kasi parang sunod-sunod yung problema ng mga cabinet secretary. So, parang, eto na. Kasi nga, naka-reflect yun sa presidente. So, I hope that the Honorable Secretary Benher Abalos would be able na ma-address lahat ng issues so that they can focus more, no, sa pagtatrabaho at sana bumawi siya sa sponsorship mo, Sir Sapot.
Yun. Yun. So, yun ang maganda doon. Actually, gawin mo lang yung trabaho mo, pinapatawad na kita. Ay, para may kasalanan.
Baka gusto rin po mag-guest sa atin ni Secretary Benher.
Oo, diba? Kasi etong One Politica naman is magandang platform din ito para maabot nyo yung mga nakikinig na mamamayan, 'di ba? Kung hindi kayo makapag-explain ng sa ibang platform, baka dito kayo makapag-explain.
Yeah.
Welcome.
This is a safe space for politicians, for government officials, 'di ba? And kami dito sa One Politico, we're inviting all whether Duterte admin po kayo or Liberal Party or a Marcos Jr. Official or even supporter or parang vlogger, political observer, One Politico is very open because we believe in open democracy. Kasi we're for the we're for the Constitution, we're for the Filipino people. Doon kami sa tama at kung saan makakabuti po sa ating taong bayan.
At hanggang sa whistleblower ko. Kung may whistleblower dyan, sige, welcome na kayo dito. Magaling yung nag-iilaw sa atin, hindi kayo makikita sa camera. Anyway, mananawagan na lang ako. Tatapusin natin itong episode na to bilang panawagan sa mga sitting government officials, especially sa mga cabinet members. Well, good job kasi tumataas yung survey nyo. Pero sana, wag tayong sa bare minimum lang. No? Tumataas ang survey nyo kasi baka nasanay lang ang mga Pilipino na tumaas dahil sa bare minimum tapos, parang mas mataas to ng konti. Diba? Pero hindi, nag-expect po ang mga Pilipino na mas mataas pang performance. At I'm sure kaya nyo naman yan kung tututukan nyo lang talaga. And with the presence of our new cabinet secretary, ay sana ay mas mabigyan mo pa ng diin yung kanilang mga performance, no? So parang nasa corporate lang kayo baka kailangan lang ng konting sabon ng mga ng mga tauhan mo. Anyway, yun nga, damay-damay lahat 'yan dahil anumang kapalpakan o anuman na accomplishment ng miyembro ng inyong gabinete ay damay ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. So siguro doon natin tatapusin at sa panawagan na kung kayo ay willing or kung kayo ay may mga gustong linawin, ay bukas po ang One Politico.
Thank you, Sir Sapot. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod na mainit na usapin, kasama po si Sir Sapot, ako po si Oms at kasama si Boss J. Hanggang sa muling pag-uusap.